Is Kate and Peter London just another dropshipping trap, or is it a legit fashion find? Let's break it down, so you don't get burned. First up, I checked for real customer reviews. Unlike trusted names like K&R London, which show tons of genuine feedback on Trustpilot, Kate and Peter London has almost nothing. That's a big red flag for me. Next, let's talk about the name. Kate and Peter London? It sounds fancy, but it actually fits a pretty common pattern. Sites like Sarah Kate London and Lisa London use the same formula. And they've been called out by unhappy buyers for shipping low-quality synthetic clothes that look nothing like the website photos. Here's where it gets trickier. These stores usually say they're based in the UK, but if you dig into the return policies, the address is often in China or even Hong Kong. And if you want to send something back, get ready for crazy return fees, sometimes 50% restocking, or you pay huge shipping just to get your money back. Kate and Peter London mainly pops up in social media ads and has a brand new Facebook page. That's risky. If a brand's legit, you'll find them everywhere. Google, reviews, maybe even a real store. So, how do you protect yourself? Here's what I do. Always check the About Us page for a real UK address. Do a quick reverse image search. If the photos are stolen from designer brands, that's a no. And always Google their website with scam or check Trustpilot for recent horror stories. Bottom line, I'm not saying Kate and Peter London is definitely a scam, but the red flags are waving. Shop safe, do your homework, and don't let the next cute dress be your next regret.